The CEO of a major solar company here in San Diego is facing felony domestic violence and stalking charges tonight. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee.
I'm Carlo Cicchetto. Last month, Sullivan Solar Power shut its doors, leaving customers wondering what happened to its CEO, Daniel Sullivan. As News 8's David Goffredson reports, Sullivan is now behind bars with bail set at $1 million.
We've charged him with 3 felony violations of stalking. That carries with it a total of a maximum possible punishment of 5 years, 4 months in prison.
This is News 8 video of Daniel Sullivan from 2009, when he was the high-flying CEO of Sullivan Solar Power in San Diego. Last month, the business suddenly shut down, leaving customers high and dry, unable to contact the company. Now Sullivan's in jail facing felony charges of stalking his former girlfriend and misdemeanor charges of disobeying a temporary restraining order the woman had obtained against him.
In March, he contacted her again, started making malicious threats, sending her inappropriate videos of heads in frying pans, sending her texts of #cartel-life.
Family law attorney Frank Terrazas represents the woman, who News 8 is not naming because she's an alleged victim of domestic violence.
Physical hitting, slapping, harm to her, emotional abuse, verbal abuse as well.
Court records show Sullivan was charged with misdemeanor domestic violence against the same woman in 2017. The current temporary restraining order alleges Sullivan sent threatening text messages to the woman. Then on November 10th, the woman alleges Sullivan let the air out of her tires on her car.
And while she was airing up her tires, she immediately received a text message from Mr. Sullivan saying, "Tire problems aren't fun," with a fire emoji.
Sullivan was arrested Monday and pleaded not guilty Wednesday in Vista Court. He remains in jail with bail set at $1 million.
Obviously, in domestic violence cases and stalking cases, which is what this case is, we are concerned for the safety of the victim, and we believe that based on the charges that we've brought forward in the complaint, that $1 million is reasonable to keep the victim and the community safe.
News 8 reached out to Sullivan's attorney, who did issue us a statement saying Sullivan's actions do not rise to the level of criminal activity, and we look forward to proving that in court. Marcella?
David, when is Sullivan's next court appearance? I'm sure he's anxious to see if he will get bail.
He'll be back. Well, he has $1 million bail set right now, but he has not made that bail. Right. He'll be back in court on Friday for a bail review hearing. If he does get out on bail, the judge ordered that he be monitored with a GPS device.
We will be following the case. Thanks, David.